one of the things we talked about a lot when we thought about 100 years. And this concept of wishing upon a star, that resonated for all of us.
Disney has this very rich, deep legacy of I Want songs. And so we wanted that same fabric, but also looking towards something fresh and new. And our songwriters, Julia Michaels and Benjamin Rice, brought exactly that with this wish.
So I look up at the stars to guide me.
Asha is beautifully played by Ariana DeBose.
She's full of joy, full of life, but she's also like, ooh, squirrel.
Exactly.
Ariana's amazing. She truly embodies the essence of Asha.
She delivers everything.
This wish is Asha wanting more for the people in her town. I was so inspired by that, and I knew that this song needed to be this very big, very grand moment.
There's so many aspects of the music that has the deep meaning of our classics, but also completely original.
To me, Disney songs, those are things that live beyond the movie.